So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Twitter or an X header here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon. Now once you're here under project type, simply press on social media. Now what I want you to do after this is go to where it says Facebook ads, Facebook posts, Facebook page covers, and slide that bar all the way to the right until you come across where it says Twitter headers. I guess now it can be referred to as X headers, but as you can tell right here, Twitter headers is an option. Simply just press on that. Now what this does is first off, it provides you with the proper dimensions needed for a Twitter header. So as you can tell, the dimensions here are 1500 by 500. So those are the dimensions for a Twitter header. But what it also does is it now provides you some templates if you want to use these templates to create your Twitter headers. So if you, let's just say for example, have a gaming account and you want to make a gaming account, maybe this option right here which is Coyote Gaming, this template could be an option. You can also use a blank template as well, which keeps the same dimensions, but it's a blank template. Whatever you may wish, we're going to go ahead here and press on Coyote Gaming for demonstration purposes. It's now going to take a couple seconds to load this project and create this project. And once that is done, as you can see pretty shortly here, you can edit this to whatever way you want. You can input your own stuff if you want. You can change the font, whatever the case may be. You can get creative with it after that, but pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can create a Twitter or an X header here on the Visme mobile application. I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.